Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will show you really quickly how you can switch from Google Earth to Google Street View to locate and see locations and street on Google Street View. So let's get started. Now as you can see guys, we're on Google Earth and what we see here is the aerial view of Rio de Janeiro, downtown Rio. You can zoom in and zoom out moving your mouse wheel, for example, or by clicking on these plus and minus buttons here in the bottom right corner. Now guys, let's say I would like to switch to Street View here on downtown Rio. To do that, simply click on that human silhouette here at the bottom. There you go. That will highlight any locations like streets or places, restaurants, stadiums, museums, and so on and so forth that are accessible and discoverable through Google Street View. So simply select the location highlighted in blue color you would like to zoom in, just like that, for example. And as you can see, I've been taken to that location through Google Street View. And now I can navigate through the area by clicking on these arrow icons here. And that's all the magic behind this, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.